Auto repair in the 21st century looks like this. Tool storage for the 21st century looks like this. We call it EPIQ. Powered tool storage created by techs for the way you work today. A bold, new design. A clean, new look. With the rugged durability you expect from Snap-on. The Powerhouse. Secure, convenient, and powered up. The Power Top. Stainless steel with a raised edge and more power. The Power Bank. Use them all day long. Recharge them overnight. New Impulse Drawer Action. Easy to open, easy to close, smooth and strong. ISO Ride Suspension. 7-inch swivel lock casters with independent torsion spring suspension. 3 banks and power for more accessibility, more security, more productivity for the 21st century. EPIQ from Snap-on.